So let's begin by creating our first custom recognition service. So I click on Create Model from the Visual Recognition Overview menu. In here, I want to create two classes. My goal in this recognition service will be able to create a recognizer that will recognize between oranges and pineapples. So I need a category or a class for pineapple. And then I need another one for oranges. Now notice that there's another class for negatives. So if we wanted to have it be much more accurate, and if we were going to have a lot of images in here, then you would probably want to have negatives images that are neither pineapple or oranges. One thing to note is that when we make these classifications, you want to have at least 10 images for each class, but really you want hundreds of images. The more images, the more accurate it will be. So you're probably going to want to get the images off of Google. You likely don't want to be running around taking a bunch of cell phone photos of oranges and trying to upload those. So you get your images and you put them in a folder. So here's the folder that I created. I created one that's holding a bunch of orange images and a bunch of pineapple images. And then also note that I have two images that are not part of this group, and so I can test those. Those are my test images. All these images I got off of Google. Upload the zips by grabbing the zip file and then taking it over and dropping the zips. Once those are uploaded, then that'll take a second or two. Depending on how many images you have, it may take half a minute to a minute. The oranges, and I drag them. You just click on it, drag it over to the appropriate class. I'll drag the pineapple over to the appropriate class. And once they're there, then I'm going to start training this machine.